In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly as a small business owner or solopreneur. Calendly is an incredibly effective tool for organizing and managing meetings, and it can be a game changer for your business by streamlining appointment scheduling. Let's walk through the steps to set it up so you can begin maximizing your efficiency. First, head over to calendly.com. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. To begin, you'll want to log in. Look for the login button on the top right hand corner of your screen and give it a click. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is straightforward, but today we're going to assume you've already signed up. Once you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in and press continue. After you've input your email, it's time to enter your password. Make sure it's a strong one to keep your account secure. Once entered, click continue again. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Calendly homepage. Here is where you'll have access to all your settings and options. As a small business owner or solopreneur, you'll frequently create new events for your clients or prospective clients. To get started, let's click on Create. This button will allow you to set up a new meeting type. Next, select the one-on-one event type. This is perfect for those individual meetings or consultations. Once you select it, you'll need to name your event. Choose a name that's descriptive so both you and your clients know exactly what the meeting is about. This clarity is key for avoiding any scheduling mishaps. Following this, you'll have the option to select a duration for your event. Think carefully about how much time you typically need, whether it's 30 minutes, an hour, or maybe even longer. Set it according to your business needs and the value you plan to provide during these sessions. After setting the duration, you'll want to select a location. Calendly offers various options such as Zoom, Google Meet, or phone call. Choose the option that best suits your workflow and accessibility. Next up, you'll need to set your availability time. This crucial step ensures you only get booked during hours that suit you. Take a moment to enter the times and days you're consistently available, and Calendly will help manage the rest. Additionally, decide who will host the meeting or appointment. If you're a solopreneur, it's likely you, but if you have a team, ensure the correct host is specified. After inputting all these details, simply click on Create. Your event is now ready to go. Lastly, you'll see a link that you can copy and share. You might choose to send this link to clients directly or post it on your website or social media platforms. This sharing feature is one of Calendly's most powerful tools, enabling clients to book directly with you based on the availability you set. And that's it, you've quickly created a professional scheduling system that will help keep your business organized and efficient. Enjoy using Calendly to simplify your meeting scheduling.